Hi, we're here with Majd, who is an engineer who worked on the Chromecast team, and so he's basically the man responsible for all the magic that we're about to see. So, Majd, can you give us a demonstration of exactly how it works and what's going on here?
Sure. So Chromecast allows you to get your content from any mobile connected device on your local network to get it on your TV. In here, I'm going to try with a YouTube video. So I'm going to go here and I search for the Engadget channel. I'm going to pick a YouTube video from this channel. Let's start with this Google Glass. Notice that you see here the cast icon on the top. If I click on that, it gives me the option to play this either locally on my phone or cast it to the living room, which is the name of Chromecast on my TV. You can do this, and what this did is it started the playback of the video on my TV, and I have now the control back on my phone, so I can pause or move to another video on my phone. This allows me also to do multitasking, so I can go back to my YouTube UI, I can do another search for something else, for example, a Red Hot Chili Pepper video, and still that does not interrupt the video on my large screen. I can also go to other applications on my phone. For example, I can go to Google Play, and still the playback on the TV is still there. It also works on other devices. For example, I can go here on an iPhone and I can start Netflix. As soon as Netflix starts, because my iPhone is on the same network, Netflix will detect that there is a Chromecast device in here, and it will give me the option to cast my video to to Chromecast. So you will notice here in Netflix that it also has the cast icon. So let's say here I want to continue watching the Avenger movie that I started earlier. I can click on the cast icon. It gives me the option to play on the living room, and I can send my video to the screen. And when I hit play, it is now telling Chromecast to connect to the Netflix server and play back the Avenger movie. And that will play back at the highest HD quality that is available to us. And if you're connected to a surround sound system, it will play in surround sound. And in here also I can use a scrubber to be able to move inside the movie. For example, I missed that scene where they are discussing the attack. I can scrub easily and go back to the scene, and Netflix will take me there. The same can be done also from a Nexus 7. This is a new Nexus 7. I can go to play movies, for example, and I have rented here Star Trek, and I have this rental that I can play for the next 2 days. I can again, with the cast icon, I can click on it, and it will give me the option to connect. The Chromecast device here is called Living Room. I can select that, and it will start the playback on the TV. Again, this is basically Chromecast connecting to the Play server and starting streaming at the HD quality that will fit the large screen. And I have back the control here on my device where I can pause, I can scrub, I can enable or disable closed caption. At the same time, I can go and multitask on my device. Okay. We can do the same thing also from any laptop that runs Chrome browser. In here I have a Chrome OS Pixel laptop, and I'm going to try to search for a video, and I have here a video from Engadget. You'll notice here that there is the cast icon in the player. I can click on that, and it gives me the option that either I can play on this computer or on the living room. So if I select the living room, it will start playback of the video on the large screen.
Very cool. And I know that we've got it with video, but it can also use photos, stream music as well, and it works the same way, right?
Correct. So applications that integrate with the Google Cast can send their content to the large screen via the Google Cast SDK.
Very cool. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good one.